The health department calls it a groundbreaking agreement after a second fire and a history of violations at the Clairton Coke Works. U.S. Steel has reached a settlement and agreed to curb its emissions. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan looks at whether the agreement goes far enough to improve the air and protect people in the Mon Valley.
U.S. Steel says it's committed to cleaning the air in Clairton and has agreed to pay $200 million in emission controls and plant improvements. But while pleased, the health department concedes it wanted even more.
If major is up here, we're probably going to put it up here.
Health Department Director Karen Hacker says the county focused on the plant's aging batteries or high-temperature coke ovens, which have been the source of sulfur dioxide violations. U.S. Steel will install steel curtains and other improvements to trap emissions around the batteries, but will not replace them.
We would have certainly liked it if they would actually have replaced some of the batteries. While that said, we do believe that these improvements are going to make a big difference in the emissions.
The steel giant will still pay $2.7 million in fines for outstanding violations, and 90% of that money will go to a community benefit trust to fund things like parks and recreation centers. But Project Breeze sent us this video of an incident Wednesday night resulting in a hydrogen sulfide exceedance. And Director Mark Mahalik says this fund shouldn't be used in lieu of stronger plant improvements.
The concern is whether or not that's going to be viewed as a pay-to-pollute type situation, or if there is more ongoing commitment to resolving the ongoing pollution problems.
Still, the agreement calls for a third party to conduct an annual audit of the plant's air pollution control performance, and the company will need to report to a community advisory group addressing community concerns. And so the health department and clean air advocates are declaring at least a partial victory, along with their resolution to keep fighting for more environmental protections in Clairton. At the County Health Department, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.